Hey yarn lovers, welcome back to Robyn and Creative. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any crafty goodness. Today, I am super excited because I hit up Hobby Lobby for their clearance sale. And y'all, you can score some amazing yarn deals with single skein dye lots marked down up to 75% off. Yes, you heard that right. These skeins are practically calling your name. Here are my top tips. First, check your local store early. Clearance varies from store to store, so it's all about timing. Second, look for those bright orange stickers. That's where the deals are. They're like gold. Third, don't be afraid to mix and match brands and colors. Sometimes the best projects come from unexpected combinations. And last, where to look. These were sighted just inside the front door as I entered with a clearance sign attached at the end of the shopping cart. I've never seen that before. Usually I see them in shopping carts near the fabric cutting counter. This store said they had 6 carts, but were down to just 1 by the time I saw them and decided to make a video. You can also look in the normal clearance sections of your store. Usually one on the back wall near the bathroom and one between the frame shop and the fabric departments. There's some great deals. You don't want to miss them. There's so many things you can do with just a single skein of yarn. Now, I do not knit or crochet, but I have heard that single skeins are a blessing and a curse. They're too beautiful to leave behind. But what can you really make with just one skein? Let me tell you, so many things. You can create amigurumi, and I probably didn't pronounce that correctly. This adorable fire-breathing dragon was made by my daughter. The rest were made by my friend Emily Cook. You can also make pom-poms or garlands for almost any occasion. Baby booties, socks, flowers, plant or cup cozy, coasters, a washcloth, wall art, a hanging planter, nesting boxes, a beanie, gloves, ear warmers, a scrubby for your kitchen, scrunchie for your hair, or keychain or lanyard to keep up with those precious keys that always get lost. These are the project sheets that were hanging on the yarn shelves in the store. I will also link some others that are available on hobbylobby.com that can be downloaded from the comfort of your home without having to make a trip to the store. Emily scored all these amazing deals at her local Hobby Lobby. As you can see, she was able to pick up several variegated colors of the I Love This Yarn brand, as well as several skeins of the oh so soft Baby Bee Adorable line. There were so many others. Any current SKU could be a potential find, as long as it was the only skein in a particular dye lot. The best part is that because these have not been discontinued, you can always pick up another skein or two for a larger project or to finish one you're already working on. It will just cost a little bit more, and the dye lots may not be perfectly matched. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Or better yet, a hype. Hype allows you to help smaller channels by awarding them one of your 3 free weekly votes. You will see this option after giving the video a thumbs up. And as always, turn on notifications to be the first to know about new content. Until next time, now go create what's possible.